All right, guys, today it's an exciting video for you. We are going to be doing the unboxing and seasoning my new Traeger Flatrock Grill. I'm gonna go over all the little features on this bad boy, and I'm gonna show you how to season up your Flatrock. Now, in all transparency, Traeger did send this to me to mess with, to use. They're not paying me, but they actually sent me the grill. I actually got my own Traeger pellet grill that I won in a raffle, so maybe they've seen a little bit more content from it. But truthfully, I've been wanting to work with Traeger for a long time. So when they reached out and said they want to send me this Flatrock grill, I couldn't say no. And you know, hey, here we are. Let's go ahead and get this thing set up, okay? Now, as a lot of y'all may know, we have 5 kids. 4 of them are sons. So anytime I get a new grill, your boy doesn't put them together, I make one of my sons, all right? And I bribe them with a little bit of cash, okay? So my son Trent put this bad boy together, took some shots. As it goes, you know, Traeger packaging is amazing. This is the only grill that my son didn't want to come in and, like, you know, murder me for making him put it together. He loves putting together these Traegers. So real easy to do. The box is real intuitive. The instructions are real intuitive. Comes with the tools, it comes with everything you need. So great start to this whole thing, right? It took my son about an hour or so to get it together. He needed my help a couple times to lift the top grill part, but other than that, he got it done. Easy as can be, right? And the box, you know, has the print on the inside. So if I had littler kids and they wanted to make a little fort out of it, you know, that's, you know, Traeger's known for that boxing material and the little scene on the inside of their boxes, right? So this Flatrock is 3 burners, okay? So there's 3 zones of cooking, so you can control it a little better, right? Control that heat. It has a digital controller. The digital display has the flame sensor light on there, has the tank calibration button, fuel level indicator, which I love because with a propane tank, unless you have something on there that gauge that shows how much is left, you know, you can kind of, you know, lose focus on it and sometimes run out of fuel on the cook. So having that indicator, you know, is gonna be a lifesaver when you're doing the cooking on your grill. The ignite button, and like I said, the 3 burners have the 3 burner knobs. One of the things they sent me was this flat top grill seasoning and cast iron conditioner. So we're going to use this to season up our Flatrock, right? Has the 2 side shelves that fold up, right, or fold down when you're not using it. Mine came with a cover, which is amazing. I love it when these grills come with covers because everything is sitting in the backyard, sun, heat, all that stuff. The grill covers, A+ in my book. It has the PAL rails on the sides and the front, so you could add your clip-on accessories that Traeger puts out for you guys. And it has so much more, guys. You know, Traeger quality is through the roof. I love that they got into the flat top space. So, you know, let's go ahead and let's get this bad boy seasoned up. And for that, we're gonna go outside. We're gonna preheat the grill for about 10 minutes. Just obviously let it get it fired up. And then we're gonna add few tablespoons of this stuff, use a rag, spread it all around, let that burn off. That usually takes about 10 minutes. And then while it's still hot, we're gonna add a little bit more, let that burn off, right? Do that, rinse and repeat about 5 more times. If I feel like it needs a little bit more, we'll do that. But you know, what their owner's book says is 5 times. So we're gonna take them at that, and that's it. Once we're done with that, we'll get back in here. We'll talk about it a little bit more. Now, team, usually the instructions for doing these flat tops and seasoning them up, you have to wash it first, but there's nothing in the instructions for this saying you need to wash any of the factory goodie off. I think that's why we get it burning first, right? So we're gonna set these knobs on the ignite. All right, it's on. Do all 3. All right, and I'm gonna turn this to between medium and medium high. So we have all 3 burners going between medium, medium, high, 10 minutes, and then we'll start adding that seasoning stuff on it. Real quick, a couple of the features I didn't go over inside. This slide out grease trap, guys, with the liner, perfect, easy to use, awesome. On the griddle here, it actually has handles to take this off in case you need to get underneath there and clean up stuff. This little hook right there on the where the tank sits is what shows how it's weighted, so it knows whether it's full or not. And it, you know, those lights will dissipate as fuel gets used. Time to calibrate that fuel tank. All right, fuel tank is calibrated. We know we have a full tank. Got this hinged lid, right? So you could kind of keep it hot in there. But guys, this is a dope machine. All four are on casters. You can lock them up, all four of them. Simple design, but great function. Let's let it finish heating up. All right, it's time to get some of these cast iron conditioning stuff on. Take my rag and move it all around. Get all the spots. Just let it continue to smoke and burn off. We'll let this go for about 10 minutes and we'll add a little bit more. All right, round two. Not gonna show you all 5 times, but you get the idea. I'll show you when it's done. All right, team, we just finished the last coat. It's doing this final little burn off there. I want to let it do its thing for another 5-10 minutes and then shut her down, let her cool off, and then we'll be ready for the first cook. Got a great color already, and it's just gonna get better with more and more cooks. All right, y'all, the seasoning of the Flatrock Grill, it's a little tedious, right? It takes a little bit of time, but well worth it. And you know these flat top grills will last forever as long as you treat them right. And by doing that proper seasoning, right, it'll just set you where you want to be. I can't wait to get cooking on this thing. I'm thinking little burgers and some bacon, maybe a little breakfast, huh? What do you say? Guys, make sure you're subscribed to see more on this Traeger Flatrock. Thanks for stopping by today, and thanks for seasoning your grill with CJ. Take care.